Hello students, this is Miss J. I'm so sorry I missed the Zoom today. But I would like to make this recording to help you with warm-ups 3, 4. Some of the questions are challenging, so I would like to help you as much as possible. If you already did the assignment and you didn't do a great job at it, please do go back to the assignment and redo it, because I already took out your answers if you make less than 70%. If you redo it, you can redo it for a full grade. Okay, let's start. I'm going to help you with question number 2. It says, Diana added 16 to the quotient of 423 and 18. What is the sum? Okay, you know quotient means division, right? And then added just means added. So you're going to divide 423 by 18. So you can't do 4 because it's too small, right? And you subtract, and 4, you bring down your 2. So that's 42. 18 go into 42. 2 times, you can see here, right? It's 36. So you write your 2, and then that's 36. 42 minus 36 is 6. You can borrow and regroup, or you can count up from 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, or you can borrow, regroups. Okay, so that's 12 minus 6 is 6, and bring down your 3. Okay, 18 to 63 is 3 times, which is 54. And you subtract again. 63 minus 54 is just 9, right? 9. Okay, since you are in 5th grade, unless the question is asking, interpreting remainder, you normally cannot have remainder like this. You either make it into a mixed number or into decimal. So to make this into decimal, you put your 0 in the back, okay? And you bring down your 0. And then you say, okay, and then remember to line up your decimal point here, and you say 90, 18 go into 90, it's go into it 5 times, right? So it goes 5 times, and this is 90. Okay, to make sure that your answer is correct, you should multiply 23 and 5/10 times 18, and then you add 23 and 5/10 plus 18, which is 5. Remember, it's 18, no, not 18, sorry, 16, right? Because it says add 16 to it. So that would be 9, 39, and 5/10. Okay? It's the same for question 4 as well. Please make it into decimals. There will be a remainder here, and then you need to bring down your 0. How could you just add 0 here? It's because it doesn't change the value. 423 and 0/10 is just 423. Okay, so the next problem that I would like to discuss is problem question number 5. Casey made 20 cookies. She ate 2 of them. She gave 4 to her teachers and the rest to her friends. Which equation can be used to find C, the number of cookies she gave to her friends? So here are the equations that you have to choose from. And here are the answer choices: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 3, and 4 only, 3 and 4 only, and 4 only. So I have drawn the strip diagram. So Casey had 20 cookies, and she ate 2 of them and gave 4 to her teachers, and how many did she give to her friend? So if you had 20 cookies, right? And then you ate 2 of them, what does it mean when you ate 2 of them? That means you have less. That means you take away 2 of them, right? And then you give 4 to your teachers. So do you have more or less? Do you have 4 less cookies? So you say, okay, I ate 2 and I give 4 to my teachers. How many do I have left to give to my friends? I have 10 and 4, so that's 14. In that case, your thinking is like this, right? Really, you had 20 and then you ate 2 and you ate 4, right? And you have, that's the number of cookies left, right? Which is 14. So C equals 14. But another person might think like this, okay, I'm gonna erase this here. Oh, I'm not gonna erase it. So some people might think, okay, I ate 2 and I gave 4 to my teachers. So really so I add those 2 first because I ate 2 and gave 4 to my teachers. So they said, okay, I ate 2 and gave 4 to my teachers. That would be 6, right? Because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I can subtract that from 20, right? I can add these 2 and then subtract from 20. And I still get 14, right? And in that case, this one is right, correct. And this one is this one is correct. And or another way you could look at it is like this. 20, the total, right, is the same as if I add this and I add whatever I have here, which is 14. And I have 2 plus 4 plus C, which is the C is 14, right? So that is also the correct answer. So your answer would be 1, 3, and 4. 1, 3, and 4. Let's say this is way too much thinking for you, okay? It's just like, oh my gosh, Miss J, that is way too complicated. This is another way you could do it, okay? You know C, it doesn't matter how you work it. You can add first and then subtract from 20, or you subtract. You know the answer has to be 14, right? C has to be 14. So you just change this into 14, change this into 14, change this into 14, and change this one into 14. Okay? Equal sign here means that whatever is on this side of the equation have to be equal this side of the equation. On the left and the right have to be the same. So if you said that, if you add 2 plus 4, that's 6. 6 plus 14 will give you 20. So that equation is correct. Okay, 20 is equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2, and minus 14, that's negative 12. It's not the same as 20, right? You want 20 on this side, it's the same as 20 on this side. Since this is negative 12, that's not correct. And you can say 20 take away 2 is 18. 18 take away 4 is 14. This is 14 on this side is equal to 14 on that side. So that's check and check. And the same here. Remember, you do your parentheses first. 2 plus 4 is 6. 20 minus 6 is 14. Yay! So that's the answer. This is check, check, right? Okay, this is an easy problem. Let's look at a more challenging problem here. It's not that challenging because it's still the same problem. Look, it's the same thinking, right? So Casey spent a total of $103 when she went shopping on Black Friday. She spent $55 on shoes, $39 on clothes, and she spent the rest on lunch. Which equation cannot be used to find X, the amount of money she spent on lunch? And we knew we could add these two, 55 plus 39. Oops, sorry. That's 4, carry my 1, 94, and 103 minus 94, 6, so that's 7. What I'm doing was I count from 94 to 100, which is give me 6. Oh, not 7. 6 plus 3 is 9, sorry. Or you can borrow and regroup, okay? I'm not a borrowing and regrouping person. I'm lazy like that. The fact is, that actually makes the least sense to me. Okay, so this one is 9. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Your answer has to be 9, right? Or another way, remember, we did this one. You can subtract 2 first, and then whatever you get, you subtract by 4. It's the same. You can subtract 103 by 55 and then subtract by 39. So this one is true, right? We want to find the ones that false. And then you can, this one is exactly what this one is, right? 55 plus 39 is 94. And 103 minus 94 is 9. So this is also true. Okay. Why is this not? What is the difference? They're the same number. So you say 103. Remember, you need to get 9, yeah? Minus 55. That's 13. 9. 45 plus 3 is 48. Is that right? Yeah, so this is 8, 48. Whoops, I want 9. I want my answer 9. So that's not what I want. Oh, that's actually what I want. So I need to write false here and question mark. Because remember, we are trying to find the one that's true or false? The false one, right? And this one, okay, if I add 55 and remember X get 9, right? If I add 55 and 39, I got 94. And 94 plus 9 is 103. So yeah, that's true. So which one is my answer? Remember, you need to find the false one. So you need to answer this question for number 6. Okay, by yourself. Okay, I'm going to do 7 and 8 on a separate video because I can only do 15 minutes per video. Okay, see you in the second video.